Hi friends, this video shows how to fix speaker has no sound after calling with Messenger application. Open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select system, then select system update, then check for system update. You can see one system update is available. So this system update has fixed for this speaker has no sound issue. So here you can see the fixed the problem that the speaker no sound after calling with Messenger application. So this software update has fixed. So we just need to download and install this software update. So we need a internet. Just enable the internet. Then just download. You can see it's installing system update. Just download and install this update. So that way we can fix the issue. Okay. So please try it. Just go to the system update and install the software update. Okay.